What's going on, everyone? Welcome to another day. So we are here at the 2019 Expo here in Fort Wayne, and we are getting ready to go check it out and go see some trucks and see what all they are offering this year. So let's go. What's going on, everyone? So the Expo 2019, wonderful. Loved meeting everyone that came up and said hi to us. Met a lot of great people there. A lot of information. So I showed just a little bit of a clip here. So yeah, we did a panel with Frank and Stephanie from the Trucking Couple, as well as Jason and Heather, the Crafty Trucker. So that was really fun. That kick-started the expo off. That was Friday morning. There was quite a few people in there, the whole room full actually, and did a Q&A. So that was a lot of fun. Got to answer a bunch of questions, you know, people trying to get into the industry. But yeah, overall, I mean, it was my first year attending the expo. I actually thought it would be bigger than what it was. I thought there would be more like tech or innovation in the trucking industry, things to maybe potentially future owners getting into the industry could buy, or things like that. And there was one or two things for sale there, but I just thought there'd be more innovation into the industry and things of what was going on. But it just seemed to be more of a recruiting type thing. There was representatives from all the big carriers in expediting, and there were trucks on display, of course, that you could see, and that's always nice, seeing the trucks, seeing the different sleepers and things that they're doing in sleeper nowadays and things like that. But I just thought there would be more tech, more innovation, things coming up in the industry for us to see and possibly test out and things like that. But you know, it is what it is. It was my first time there. I still enjoyed it. I think the best thing is actually getting to meet people who are wanting to get into the industry, to answer questions and all that stuff. A big highlight for me was actually meeting Heather and Jason from the Crafty Trucker. I've been chasing them across the country for probably 4 years or better. Yeah, so it was really, really awesome to finally get to meet them. They are super, super nice people. I absolutely love their videos. I watch every single one. And yeah, both of them are just as genuine and nice, down-to-earth people, just like they are in their videos as they are in real life. So yeah, really, really cool to meet them. We got to hang out Sunday. We went out to dinner at Red Robin, and yeah, it was just a lot of fun. A lot of fun. But yeah, other than that, the expo was a great thing. I really enjoyed it. I think it's something that we'll probably look into doing more often in the future. And I look forward to it possibly growing even more and getting bigger, and maybe they will start bringing in more vendors and things like that. So yeah, I know there were some people there that I actually didn't get to speak to, so big shout out to you guys. You know, wish I could have met everybody, but yeah, there were so many people to talk to, and it was just a really, really really cool thing to meet everybody and get to speak to the ones that we did speak to. So yeah, guys, that's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up here. As always, thank you everyone for watching and subscribing. We really, really appreciate it. As always, if you like the video, please give it a big thumbs up. And if you love that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And until our next video, keep those wheels a-turning, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Take care.